Yeah, no? No, yeah, it's a fish.
फ्रॉक चाहिए
It's a fish.
फ्रॉक चाहिए हाँ सुकर करा
It's a different color. You see? It's a different color.
अच्छा कलर कलर चाहिए
It's a fish.
आउ
The different color fish.
और फिश है ना
It's a orange and white. Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. And today I am here at the Sir Adam Pack hydropower station. And it's in a Niagara Fall region, Ontario, Canada. So I thought like this is a very cool place to show you guys. So that's why I came here with my family. So basically this is a place where electricity gets generated by water. As you can currently see, there are a river going down, right? And there is a hydropower plant which used to generate an electricity using water. So behind this there is another river which contains a lot of water. So it's come into the turbine and rotate the turbine, and that's how the electricity gets generated. So this is very cool place. You can see it's very beautiful place, and there is a power plant, you see down there, which generate the electricity by water, and also they are storing the electricity. So I don't know all the details, but definitely this is very cool place. So this we are at the Canada side in Ontario. So this is the Canada side, and that bridge is actually connected USA and Canada both side. So if you go over there, it's another side for the USA. So they also used to have that power plant like this. So there is also a road attached to this power plant. So traffic is continuously coming and going. And this is a common place to walk, and bike rider also. So if you have the bicycle, you can ride it beside this road. And there are a lot of wires which transfer the electricity to the city and nearby places. It's very big, amazing place. I hope you guys like this. It's very interesting place. And weather is very nice and beautiful, very sunny, so we can see everything clearly. So visibility is very clear today. And the Niagara Fall is very nearby. It's not far from here. but you can see this is very giant place, very giant and big place, and very beautiful also. And it's like a water dam, a small water dam. Yeah, right. There is also an office, I think, down there where people used to work, I think. So water is keep flowing. So this water is coming from Niagara Fall. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. Hope you do guys like this. We keep continue walking, so I can show you more in detail. This is that boat. Somebody, I don't know, it's a government or security boat. So it's like a security boat. Look at those wires which transfer the electricity to different places. So they just distribute the electricity to the different area of Niagara region and other places.
What?
Yeah! What is that? It's the water dam!
No.
It's the water dam!
No.
Oh, sorry. Electric bike.